What up, gang? It's your boy ZaZa back with another banger. Look, today we open up the Black Friday special Dynamyco gift box. So we had 12 winners total from our Black Friday special. It was awesome. The comm show was lit. Thank you everyone who stopped by, showed love, showed support, and participated, right? But Dynamyco sent us a very special box. I don't know what's in it, but today we're going to open it together. Without further ado, let's get straight into it, gang. Get it.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, you heard me?
Yeah, you know it.
Turn up the leaf blower and the lawnmower.
He ain't smoke the sour. Should've been a hippie, should've been a shower. Red with no dread, black cop, who ya?
Another thing, don't forget to join the Discord.
All right, cool. So we got the box. Oh, don't want to show the Addy. We got the box. Dynamyco. Shout out to Dynamyco. We got the box, man. So let's open this thing. Let's see what's up in here, gang. Let's see what's up in the box. All right. And this will go to our winners. We'll disperse it. We don't know what's in here yet. So once we figure out what's in this bad boy, then we'll determine. Ooh. 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 Okay. We got some mycorrhiza inoculants. Hold on. This might be for more than just our Black Friday special. Look like we got a giveaway coming up on this Saturday's almost said comm show. That's right, gang. This Saturday is the first episode, the first pilot episode of QCE, the podcast. You gotta be there. We talking education, plants, breeding, everything we know QCE. So if you represent QCE, quality, community, and education, then be there. 11 p.m. this Saturday, the first episode of QCE, the podcast. Can't wait to see you there. But look, we got some stuff to give away. It's still going, gang. Woo! Oh, we lit. Oh, we got packs of Myco. We got packs of Myco. Oh, gosh. Oh, it's raining Myco. It's raining Dynamyco, gang. Oh, shout out to Dynamyco, man. We giving away packs on packs on packs. Much love to y'all, man. Much love to y'all. Y'all make sure y'all visit Dynamyco and tell them Team ZaZa said much love and thank you. But yeah, QCE the podcast, we giving away some Dynamyco. And our winners from last week's Black Friday show. So that was that. We got tons of packs of Dynamyco. So shout out to that. What else we got? Rolling papers. Is that rolling papers? And slaps. Ooh. Oh, nice. Yeah, we got different slaps. The Dynamyco slaps. Tons of slaps. We got rolling papers, gang. Oh, yeah, that's dope. We got packs of rolling papers. What else we got? Boom. Whoa. Look at this dynamite stick. Huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. This episode of the QCE podcast is about to be lit, gang. Hey, look at the hat, though. Fire. Ooh, look at the back, though. That's fire, cuz. Oh, man. Shout out to Dynamyco, man. What we got here? What are these? Books? Okay, so these are like pamphlets. Let's check it out together. Let's check out one of these books. We got a whole bunch of them. Oh, wow. Plant resistant to stress, high tolerance to suboptimal pH levels, increased nutrient uptake, notably phosphorus for better increased crop yields. Man, this is nice. Yeah, we're gonna have some nice stuff for last week's Black History Month winners. Man, we got big packs too. What's these big packs? We got big packs of Myco. We got the small packs. It's the same, right, gang? Yeah, I believe these are the same. It's just, man, that is dope. We're going to have some awesome giveaways, bro. All right, I think that's it. So, ultimately, in Dynamyco giveaway box, Team ZaZa giveaway box, we got tons of small packs of Myco that we're going to have a blast giving away. And we got some big packs of Myco. We got a super dope Dynamyco hat, along with the big dog Dynamyco stick, dynamite stick, along with some slaps. And last but not least, for those who love to roll up your papers, we got some rolling papers as well, man. So congratulations to our winners, our 6 winners that weren't the grand prize winners, our 6 winners from last week's Black History Month show. Congratulations to you. You'll get some of this Dynamyco stuff too. But congratulations to whoever's about to win on this Saturday's Com Show, the podcast, man. I can't wait to see you there. I'm excited. Much love, gang. I see the comments. I love you back. And make sure you visit AC Infinity. Use code Team ZaZa at checkout for a discount, 15% off. And make sure you visit ZaZagenetics.com. We're doing I am doing some updates to the website right now. I know it's been a minute, but I'm working on the website right now. I'll be up late nights for the next couple weeks, giving you a better experience on the website. We are upgrading or updating Zastagram, so a place where you guys can share and overall just have fun, share knowledge, and each one teach one environment. Make sure you visit the Discord. Catch us in there any night after 9 p.m. especially. Other than that, man, much love, and I'll see you this Saturday, 11 p.m. Eastern for Com Show, the podcast, first episode. Love you, gang. I'm out of here. Till next week. Goodbye.